Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. Got a very short video for you today that will show you how to make a book cover using Canva. So just before I show you that, there's a link in the description for this video just down below that will take you to a free trial version of Canva so you can use it for yourself once you've seen the video. If you want to give it a go, just hit that link down below. Okay, so it's a template-based system, so once you've logged into Canva, this will be the home page that you see, and as you can see, you've got a search bar at the top here. If you search for the word book cover, that'll then give you access to the just over 4,000 templates that Canva has built into it, which are all book covers. So you can see that it gives us some suggested categories at the top here, and it also then allows you to filter your results by these sort of styles categories and features and themes on the left hand side. It also then allows you to filter by color as well, which is quite interesting. So if you're looking for something in a particular shade of color, then you can use that as well. You can see that there's an extensive range and styles of book cover here, and it would take you a while to kind of, get a good browse in and have a look around what's here and available. And I'm almost going to guarantee that you'll find something that is close to what you need. So once you've found that book cover, which you kind of want to modify and twist to suit your needs, give it a click, and then you'll open this little dialog box, which allows you then to select customize this template. Bear in mind as well, there's also a bunch of other book covers going to appear now that are close to the one, like related to it that you've selected. So if you hit customize this template, that opens the cover in the Canva editor. So there's a bunch of other tutorials on the channel that show you how to use the Canva editor, but most of the tools here on the left hand side, as a basic overview, you can bring in elements. There's a big library of different shapes and objects that you can browse and have a look at, and free to use. You can upload your own images, you can add in some text, you can link from Google Drive and even make a logo and put that in as well. The text, for example, if you wanted to kind of get rid of it, just hit the little bin icon and that deletes it. And then if you want to modify the text, you can just type in then whatever text that you want in replacement for it by double clicking it. It works exactly like a word processing package then, where it allows you to modify the font size, color of the text, justification, add some basic effects on the text. So it's got the kind of basic features of something like Word as well as something like Photoshop kind of built into it. So once you've then achieved what you need and you've got your book cover look in the way that you want it to, you can then download that as an image on whatever device that you're using. So if you hit this share button in the top right hand corner, that then allows you to select download, which then allows you to select the format which you need it as. So obviously PDF would cover most bases, depending on what you need it for. You can also then download it as an image as well. Okay. Once you've hit that download button, that'll bring it down on your device. So that concludes the tutorial for today. If you've enjoyed, you can subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. Don't forget that there's a link in the description down below that'll take you then to a free version of Canva, so you can try that out for yourself. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.